3 into 3, 9. 9 times of integral sine of 3 log of 5x dx. So integral sine of 3 log 5x dx equals I. This integration will be I. Now I equals x into sine of 3 log 5x minus 3x cos of 3 log of 5x. 9 into I, 9i. Minus 9i will take left hand side. Minus 9i plus I, 10i. 10i equal this one. We need to find out one integration. I equals x by 10 sine of 3 log of 5x minus 3 by 10, that is 3x by 10 cos of 3 log of 5x plus c. This is the final answer. Next one, evaluate integral secant cube x dx. It is a type 3 model. Type 1, type 2, type 3. Type 1 is the normal quotients. Type 2 single functions. It's not directly differentiable. It's not directly integrable. Type 2. Type 3 function is integral e power x sin x sin bx, integral e power ax cos bx, integral secant cube x, integral secant of sine of log of some function of x. Those are type 3 concepts. Type 3 concept, let this integration be I equal to integral secant cube x dx. Now I equal to integral secant x into secant square x dx. Here convert secant square x into tan. Convert secant square x into tan. Difficult to solve. See what secant square x. Secant square theta minus tan square equal to 1. Secant square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Here secant square x, convert secant square x into tan x. Difficult to solve. That's the important point. Here applying UV method. Here both are trigonometric functions. So isolate not helpful. Yes or no? Here not helpful here. Isolate. Here isolate not helpful. Can we observe integral secant x dx log of secant x plus tan x. Derivative of secant x into tan x. Integral secant square x dx, derivative of secant square x dx. Integral secant square x dx, tan x. Derivative of secant square x dx are complicated. This one complicated. Now here secant square x, derivative of secant square x complicated. So this function be v, this function be u. Secant x is taken as the first function u. Secant square x is taken as the second function v. Because integrate of secant square tan x easily find out here. Derivative of secant square x complicated. Secant x integrate possible, derivative possible, no problem. But derivative of secant square is complicated. That's why it is a v, it is a u. Now what is the integral u into v? U into first function into integral second function minus of integral second function into derivative of first function. Okay, first u into secant x into integral v dx, integral secant square x dx, that is tan x. Now I equals minus of integral v dx tan x. Derivative of secant x. Derivative of secant x is secant x into tan x dx. Now I equals secant x into tan x minus integral tan x into tan x, tan square x, secant x into tan square x dx. Now secant square x, so tan square x equals secant square x minus 1. Now I equals secant x into tan x minus of integral secant x into secant x. Now secant cube x dx minus of minus plus. Now integral secant x dx. I equals secant x into tan x integral secant cube x dx, that is I minus I, plus integral secant x dx. Integral secant x dx is log of secant x plus tan x. Integral secant x dx log of secant x plus tan x. Log of secant x plus tan x plus c. I plus I 2i. 2i equals secant x into tan x plus log of secant x plus tan x plus c. Finally integration IB divided by 2, half into secant x tan x plus log of secant x plus tan x plus, this is the final answer. Next one, integral u into v. Integral u into v. U into integral v minus derivative of u, one time derivative of u, double integral v. Next, d square y by dx square, that is 2 times of derivative of u, triple integral v, and so on. What is the method? U into derivative of v, again u into integral v, derivative of u. Next one, 2 times the double integral of v. Next, 2 times derivative of u, 3 times of derivative, 3 times of integral of v. Next, 3 times derivative of u, 4 times of integral of v, and so on. It is a formula and the derivative. Now I late preferences of u. What is preference of u? I late. I inverse late L logarithmic algebraic. This one is u. This one is v. First u into, what is u? X power 4 plus 3x cube minus 7x square plus 4. U into integral v dx. Integral v dx. Now integral e power x. E power x is e power x. E power 2x by derivative of 2x is 2. First positive, next negative. Positive, negative, positive, negative. Next one is minus. Now u dash derivative of u. What derivative of u? This one 4 x cube plus 3 3 is a 9x square minus 14x plus 0. Derivative of constant is 0. Now how many times? 2 times integral of v. 2 times integral of v. 1 time integral of v is t power 2x by 2. Here finding one more time. So in 1 by 2 is the constant. Integral of e power 2x is e power 2x by 2. Now this will be e power 2x by 4 plus next. Now how many times? 2 times derivative. Already 1 time derivative chesi function vachindandi. One more time derivative. So 12x square plus 18x minus 14. Now one more time integrate this one. So e power 2x by 2 into 4, 8. Next minus positive, negative, positive. Next to negative term minus derivative of this one. What derivative of this one? 24x plus 18. Derivative of constant is 0. Now integrate one more time. E power 2x by 2. 2 into 8 is 16. Next positive term. Now derivative of this one. What derivative of this one is 24x. 24 into integral this one. E power 2x by 2 into 16 32. Next one is 0. After this term, after this all the terms will be zeros. So derivative of 24 is 0. So 0 into e power 2x by 64 is 0. So this is the answer. Okay, I hope you are understanding. After this term, all the derivatives zeros. Yes or no? Derivative of this term after this one, all the terms are zeros. Next one, integral x square plus 3x into sin 9x dx. Applying UV. What is UV method? Integral UV method. And the derivative u into integral v. Derivative of u into double integral of v. 2 times of derivative of u into triple integral v, and so on. First, we have to choose u term and v term. Which one is the u term? Preferences of u, I late. Preference of u, I late. So inverse, this logarithmic, algebraic x square plus 3x. X square plus 3x as the first function u. 9 sin 9x is taken as the second function v, u into v. Now u into x square plus 3x into integral sin minus cos 9x by derivative of minus is 9. First positive, next negative, minus derivative of this one. What derivative of this one? 2x plus 3. 2 times of derivative, 2 times of integral of this one. Already one time find out chesam kadandi. Minus 9, minus cos 9x by 9. One more time. Minus of cos x integral sin 9x by 9 to 9, 81. This is plus derivative of this one. 2x plus 3 derivative is 2. Now integral of this one. Minus of minus plus sin x integral minus cos. Minus of minus plus cos 9x by 729 over. After this term, all the terms derivative 0. Yes or no? After this term. Now minus x square plus 3x minus 1 by 9 cos 9x minus of minus plus 2x plus 3 by 81 into sin 9x. Now plus 2 by 729 into cos 9x plus 3. This is the answer. This is the final answer. Next one, integral x square tan x into secant square x dx. Now this one is u, I late. Okay, this one is u, this one is v. U into x square into integral tan x into secant square x dx. Now minus derivative of u, 2x into integral double integral tan x into secant square x dx plus derivative of 2x is 2, triple integral tan x into secant square x dx. Now x square into integral f of x into f dash x, integral f of x whole power n into f dash x dx, f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here tan x derivative is secant square x. Yes or no? Derivative of tan x. This function is f. This function is f dash x. F of x and f dash x. Now integral f of x into f dash x equal f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Now This formula is tan square x by 2. Degree is 2, degree is 1. What is the degree of 1? Tan x whole power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. That is tan square x by 2. Okay, minus 2x into 2 times of integral of tan x into sec. One time integral is one time integral of one time, this one, tan square x by 2. Difficult to solve. Integral tan square x by 2. Tan square x equal to secant square minus 1. Secant square x minus 1. Integral secant square x tan x. Integral 1 x. So tan secant square, that is secant x minus x వస్తుందండి. Difficult అయిపోతుంది problem. So better thing, better one, tan x into secant x into secant x dx. It is f of x. This one is f of dash x. F dash x. Now f of x into f dash x. Integral f of x into f dash x. What is the formula? F of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Now x square into f of x. What f of x is secant x. Now secant square x by 2 minus 2x into one time integral. What is one time integral of this one? Secant square x by 2. Bring outside 1 by 2. Now integral secant square x. What is integral secant square x? Tan x plus 2 into 3 times integral. Now 2 into integral of 2 times of this one. 2 times integral of this one. 2 times integral of this one is tan x. 1 by 2 into tan x. 1 by 2 into tan x. 2 cancel out. Integral tan x. What integral tan x? Log of secant x. Log of secant x plus c. This is the answer, final answer. So 2 cancel. Log of secant x plus c. చూసుకోవాలి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఎలా చేస్తే ఈజీ వస్తుందని చూసుకోవాలండి. tan x డెరివేటివ్ secant square x, tan పవర్ f dash x, f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1. if you ఏదైతే వస్తుందండి tan square x by 2 వస్తుంది. tan square x by 2 మనము ఇంటిగ్రేట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే టైం పడుతుందండి. ఇంటిగ్రల్ tan square x డిఫికల్ట్ కదా, డిఫికల్ట్ టు సాల్వ్. ఇంటిగ్రల్ secant square x సింప్లీ tan x. సో ప్రాబ్లం మనకి ఈజీగా చేంజ్ చేసుకున్నాం. దీనికి ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే 1 by 2 ఇంటిగ్రల్ secant square x minus 1 dx. 1 by 2 into secant square x derivative tan integral secant square x is tan x minus x plus c. మరి ఈ ఫంక్షన్ వల్ల ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. లొకేషన్ మీకు ఏ కంఫర్టబుల్ నో ప్రాబ్లం, బోత్ ఆర్ సేమ్. నేను ఐడియా వచ్చింది, ప్రాబ్లం చేంజ్ చేసుకున్నాను. Next problem, integral log x base a whole square dx. It is not directly integrable. This function not directly integrable. Nowadays a type 2 model. Already 3 modes from type 1, type 2, type 3. And type 1 is normal questions. Type 2 single functions. It's not directly integrable. Third one is integral e power x sin x. Integral e power x cos x, integral log x. It's a type 2. Now integral 1 into log x base a whole square dx. Now applying UV method. Log x base a whole square taken as the first function u, x is taken as the second function b. Applying UV method, u into log x base a whole square integral 1 dx, that is x, minus of integral 1 dx, integral v dx x, derivative of log x base a whole square 2 times of log x base a into derivative of log x 1 by x dx. Here x cancelled out. Now log x base a whole square, x into log x base a whole square minus of integral 2 is a constant to bring outside, 2 times of log x base e dx. We need to remember this one, integral log x base e, integral log x base e dx equal to x into log x minus 1 plus c. It is a standard result. Integral log x base e dx, x into log x minus 1 plus c. Okay, just memorize this one or apply UV method again. Now x into log x base e whole square minus 2 times of 1 into log x base e dx. Now minus 2 times of this one, u function, this one, it is the first function, this one is the second function. U into log x base e into integral b dx, integral b dx. So integral 1 dx is x minus of integral b dx, that is integral 1 dx x, log x derivative 1 by x dx. Now minus 2 times of x bring outside, so or x log x base e minus integral 1 dx is x. Now minus 2 times of x bring outside, x is the common in both the terms. Now log x base e minus 1 plus c. So equals x log x base e whole square minus 2x into log x base e minus 1 plus c. Yeah. Yes. First one is the right answer. The important one, just memorize this one. Integral log x base e dx equals x into log x base e minus 1 plus c. Just memorize this one. This problem, integral x square dx by x sin x plus cos x whole square. First we should know what is the derivative of x sin x plus cos x. Let x sin x plus cos x be t. UV method. X into derivative of u into v, x into sin x derivative cos x plus sin x into x derivative 1 plus cos x derivative minus sin x dx equal to dt. Now x cos x dx equal to dt, x cos x dx equal to dt. So x square into here numerator required x cos x dx multiplied by x cos x dx divided by x cos x into x sin x plus cos x whole square. This will be integral x square now applying UV method. This function be u, this function be v. U into x square by not x square, x squared, just x into x square. So x by cos x. X by cos x, u into x by cos x into integral x cos x by x sin x plus cos x whole square dx minus of integral x cos x by x sin x plus cos x whole square, derivative of u x by cos x dx. Okay, those are options. First, we need to calculate integral x cos x by x sin x plus cos x whole square dx. X cos x dx equals to dt. Now integral dt by this value in terms of t square. Now minus 1 by t plus c. Integral 1 by t square. Integral 1 by t square equals to minus 1 by t. Understood? Integral t power minus 2. So t power minus 1 by minus 1. This will be minus 1 by t. Now u into what is u? X by cos x into what is the result of this one? Integral minus 1 by t plus c. Okay, minus 1 by t. Yeah, t is x cos x. Sorry, x sin x plus cos x minus integral result of this one x dx cos x dx by x sin x plus dx x sin x plus cos x whole square. So what is the result? Minus 1 by x sin x plus cos x. Minus of minus plus. Now derivative of x by cos x. X into secant x. 1 by cos x is secant x. X into secant x. Now UV method. X into derivative of secant x tan x plus secant x into derivative of x is 1. Now what is common thing? Secant x. Okay, bring outside secant x. Now x into tan x is sin x by cos x plus 1. X into sin x by cos x plus 1. Now secant x into x sin x plus cos x by cos x. So this is the derivative of x into x by cos x. Now multiplied by secant x into x sin x plus cos x divided by cos x. These two are cancelled. X sin x plus cos x, these two are cancelled. Now x by cos x minus into x sin x plus cos x plus integral secant x by cos x. 1 by cos x secant x. Secant x into secant x, secant square x dx. Now minus x by cos x into x sin x plus cos x plus integral secant square x dx. Integral secant square x is tan x. Integral secant square x dx is tan x. Tan x is sin x by cos x. Taking LCM, cos x into x sin x plus cos x. So minus x into cos x plus, so x into sin sin square x plus sin x into cos x divided by cos x into x sin x plus cos x. Okay, sorry. Yeah, this is one time only. Cos x times cos x into x sin x plus cos x. How many times is one? One time. So 1 into minus x minus x. Okay, enough. Bring outside minus x. So 1 minus sin square x plus sin x into cos x by cos x into x sin x plus cos x. 1 minus sin square x minus x into 1 minus sin square x cos square x plus sin x into cos x by cos x into x sin x plus cos x. Now what is the common in both the values? Cos x is the common thing. Bring outside cos x. Now sin x minus x cos x divided by cos x into x sin x plus cos x. This was cancelled out. Okay, this is the final answer. Sin x minus x cos x by x sin x plus cos x. Which one is the right option? Maybe third option is the right one. Next problem, integral e power x 2 minus x square dx by 1 minus x square root of 1 minus x square. How to solve this problem? Numerator in the numerator 2 minus x square available, in the denominator 1 minus x square there. Integral e power x 2 minus x square. 2 minus x square can be written 1 plus 1 minus x square by 1 minus x into square root of 1 minus x square dx. Here multiplied by e power x. Integral e power x f of x plus f dash x dx equal to e power x into f of x plus c. It is standard formula. చూద్దామండి ఈ వేలో ప్రాబ్లం వస్తుందో ట్రై చేద్దాం. e power x into f of x plus f dash x. Integral e power x into 1 by 1 minus x square root of 1 minus x square minus 1 minus x square by plus 1 minus x square by 1 minus x into square root of 1 minus x square dx. It is like e power x into f of x plus f dash x. 1 minus x square, a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. 1 minus x, 1 minus x cancelled out. Now 1 plus x by square root of a square minus b square, square root of 1 plus x into square root of 1 minus x. A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Now square root of 1 plus x, how many times is square root of 1 plus x? Square root of 1 plus x times. Now integral e power x 1 by 1 minus x into square root of 1 minus x square plus numerator available square root of 1 plus x, denominator square root of 1 minus x dx. Okay. But first ఏం తెలియాలంటే which one is the f of x, which one is the f dash x. ఈ ఫంక్షన్ తీసుకొని డెరివేటివ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసాం అనుకోండి 1 by 1 minus x square root of 1 minus x square వచ్చిన అనుకోండి ప్రాబ్లం అయిపోయినట్లే కదా, ప్రాబ్లం డన్. e of x f of x plus f dash x. What's the formula? e power x into f of x plus c. చూద్దామండి ఈ రెండింటిలో మనం ఏదో ఒక ఫంక్షన్ తీసుకొని డెరివేటివ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఈ ఫంక్షన్ తీసుకొని డెరివేటివ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే రిజల్ట్ ఇది రావాలండి. ఈ ఫంక్షన్ తీసుకొని డెరివేటివ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే రిజల్ట్ ఇది వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, ప్రాబ్లం సాల్వ్ అయిపోతుంది. బెస్ట్ వన్ దిస్ వన్. ఇది తీసుకుంటే మనకి v by v మెథడ్ అప్లై చేయొచ్చు అండి. 1 by 1 minus x square root of 1 minus x square difficult to solve derivative. Okay, this one is the better one. చూద్దాం, try. Let square root of 1 plus x by square root of 1 minus x equal to, okay, direct final division. Derivative of this one, u by v method, square root of 1 minus x whole square, square root of 1 minus x into square root of 1 plus root x, sorry, square root of 1 plus x, derivative of root x, 1 by 2 root x, derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Now, derivative of square root of 1 plus x is 1 by 2 root 1 plus x. Derivative of 1 plus x is 1. Now, minus square root of 1 plus x into derivative of square root of 1 minus x. Now, 1 by 2 root 1 minus x. Derivative of 1 minus x is minus 1. Minus of minus plus. Taking LCM. Taking LCM is 2 times of square root of 1 plus x into square root of 1 minus x. Numerator 2 times of square root of 1 plus x. How many times is 1? Square root of 1 minus x. Square root of 1 minus x is square root of 1 minus x. That is 1 minus x. Now how many times is 1? Square root of 1 plus x times. So plus 1 plus x whole by square root of 1 minus x whole square. Now x cancel out, 2 cancel out, 2 by this one. This will be 1 by 2 cancel out. Square root of a plus b into square root of a minus b. Square root of a square minus b square. 1 by square root of 1 minus x square into this one is square root cancel out, that is only 1 minus x. Okay, derivative of this value is this one. Derivative of square root of 1 plus x by square root of 1 minus x is 1 by 1 minus x into square root of 1 minus x square. Exactly there. Exactly there. So it is f of x. This one is f dash x. Integral e power x f of x plus f dash x is e power x into f of x. What is the final answer? E power x into f of x. What is f of x? Square root of 1 plus x by square root of 1 minus x plus c. This is the final answer. Fourth one is the right option. Which one is the right option? Fourth one. Good question as well. Next problem. Integral sine was root x by square root of 1 minus x dx. Let x be sine square t. Sine square t. Now here x is sine square t. Square root of sine square t, sine t. Sine was of sine t, that is t. Now integral sine inverse of square root of sine square t by square root of 1 minus x, 1 minus sine square t dx. Here dx equal to 2 sine t derivative cos t dt. 2 sine t cos t dt. Sine inverse of sine t, that is t, square root of 1 minus sine square t, that is cos square t, square root of cos square t, cos t, into 2 sine t cos t dt. Cos t cancelled out. 2 is a constant, bring outside. 2 times of integral t into sine t dt. T into sine t dt. Applying UV method. What's the preferences of u? I late. I inverse, there is no inverse. L logarithmic, A algebraic t there. So here t taken as the first function u, Remaining function is taken as the second function v, u into v. Now 2 times of u into t into integral sin t, that is a minus cos t, minus of integral v dt, integral v, what is integral v? Minus of minus plus cos t, derivative of t, derivative of t, that is only 1 plus c dx. Now minus 2t cos t, integral cos t is sin t plus c. What is the t in terms of x? Minus 2 into t, here t is sin inverse x, sorry. Here t is sin power minus 2x. Okay, here sin t now sin t equals root x. Now t equals sin inverse root x minus 2 into sin inverse root x. Now cos t, sin t equal to root x. Now cos t equals square root of 1 minus sin square t. This will be square root of 1 minus x, root x whole square, square root of 1 minus x cos t over. Next sin t, the value of sin t is root x plus c. This is the final answer. Which one is the right option? Minus 2 sin inverse, minus 2 sin inverse root x, square root of 1 minus x plus root x plus c. First one is the right answer. Next problem, integral x into tan inverse x by square root of 1 plus x square dx equals square root of 1 plus x square f of x plus k into log of x plus square root of 1 plus x square base e plus c. Then f of x equal tan inverse x, k equal to minus 1. We need to calculate f of x and k. Derivative of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square. Here square root of 1 plus x square available. Now integral tan inverse x into x by square root of 1 plus x square dx. Applying UV method. Here preferences of u. What is preferences of u? Inverse. First inverse is the tan inverse x. Here tan inverse x is the u. Preferences of u. So I let inverse, logarithmic, algebraic, trigonometric and exponential. So first one inverse preference. Inverse preference u is called tan inverse x. Tan inverse x is taken as the first function u. Remaining function is taken as the second function v, u into v. Now u into tan inverse x into integral x by square root of 1 plus x square dx minus of integral x by square root of 1 plus x square dx derivative of u, derivative of tan inverse x dx. First we need to calculate integral x by square root of 1 plus x square dx. Integral x by square root of 1 plus x square dx multiplied by 2 and divided by 2. Now integral f of x, integral f dash x by square root of f of x dx. Integral f dash x by square root of f of x dx. What is the formula? Log of f of x. log of f of x plus c, the standard formula. What is the derivative of f of x here? F of x is 1 plus x square. Derivative of 1 plus x square is 2x. Here derivative of 1 plus x square available in numerator. Now what is the formula? 1 by 2 into this one formula, log of f of x plus c. Log of f of x plus c. What is f of x here? 1 plus x square plus c. Sorry, this one is f dash x by square root of f of x, 2 times of f of x. What's the formula? 2 times of square root of f of x. Sorry, 2 times of square root of f of x plus c. Now of into 2 times of square root of f of x. What is f of x here? 1 plus x square plus c. 2 cancelled out. So finally integral x by square root of 1 plus x square dx. What's the result of this one? Square root of 1 plus x square plus c. Now tan inverse x, result of this one is square root of 1 plus x square minus, this result is square root of 1 plus x square, derivative of tan inverse x, 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Now square root of 1 plus x square tan inverse x minus of integral 1 by square root of 1 plus x square dx. In the numerator, square root of 1 plus x square, denominator 1 plus x square. The square root of 1 plus x square, how many times 1 plus x square? Square root of 1 plus x square times integral 1 by square root of 1 plus x square. What's the formula? One by square root of a square plus x, integral 1 by square root of a square plus x square, log of x plus square root of a square plus x square. This one. Integral 1 by square root of a square plus x square, here a is 1, a square plus 1 square plus x square, log of x plus square root of a square plus x square, a is 1. Now square root of 1 plus x square tan inverse x minus, what is the formula? Log of x plus square root of a square plus x square, a is 1 plus x square plus c. This is the formula, final answer. Now compare these two. One plus square root of 1 plus x square f of x. What is f of x? Tan inverse x. First or second. F of x equal tan inverse x. Now here coefficient of log of x plus square root of 1 by x square is k. Here minus k equals minus 1. K equal to minus 1 and f of x is tan inverse x. So first one is the right answer. Next problem. Integral sin inverse x whole square dx is a type 2 integration. What is type 2? Type 1 is the normal quotient, type 2 single function. It's not directly integrable. Sin inverse x is not directly integrable. In this case, integral 1 into sin inverse x whole square dx. Sin inverse x whole square is taken as the first function u. Remaining function is taken as the second function v. Second function v, u method. Now u into what's u? Sin inverse x whole square integral v, integral 1 dx. that is x, minus integral 1 dx, integral b, so x into sin inverse x whole square, derivative of sin inverse x whole square, 2 times of sin inverse x. Now again find derivative of sin inverse x, 1 by square root of 1 minus x square, 1 by square root of 1 minus x square dx. Now x into sin inverse x whole square minus bring outside 2, okay, no problem. Sin inverse x into 2 into x, 2x by square root of 1 minus x square dx. Again applying UV method. Sin inverse here, sin inverse x not directly differentiable. This function by u, preference of u, inverse first. This one is b. Now x into sin inverse x whole square minus of u into sin inverse x into integral 2x by square root of 1 minus x square dx minus of integral 2x by square root of 1 minus x square dx. Now derivative of sin inverse x dx. Before we go for that, we need to calculate integral 2x by square root of 1 minus x square, 1 minus x square. This one is f of x. What is f dash x? F of x equals 1 minus x square. F dash x is minus 2x. Here 2x available, minus not there, so multiplied by minus of minus. Now minus of minus sin inverse x minus 2x, so minus of plus. Now next step is x into sin inverse x whole square minus of minus plus sin inverse x into integral of this function. What is integral of f dash x by square root of f of x dx equals 2 root f of x plus c. This one is 2 root f of x, 1 minus x square. I hope you are understanding. Integral of this function, it is in the form of integral f dash x by square root of f of x dx. What's the formula? 2 times of square root of f of x, 2 times square root of 1 minus x square. Okay, minus into plus minus. Now integral of this result is 2 times of f of x, 1 minus x square, derivative of sin inverse x, 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Okay, dx. These two are cancelled out. Now x into sin inverse x whole square plus 2 times of square root of 1 minus x square into sin inverse x. Bring outside, 2 is a constant, bring outside. Integral 1 dx, integral 1 dx is x plus c. This is the final answer. Next question, integral sin of log x base e plus cos of log x base e dx. This one simple problem, this one. Let log x base e be t. Log x base e equals to t. Now log 5 base 3 equals to 2. Suppose log 5 base p equals to 2. Now 5 equals to p square. This is standard result. Yes or no? Log 5 base p equal to, then 5 equal to p power 2. Log x base equal to t. Now x equal to e power t. Differentiation. Here derivative with respect to x. Now dx equal derivative of e power t is e power t dt. Integral sin t plus cos t dx. What is dx here? E power t into dt. మనకి ఎప్పుడైతే ఈ పవర్ టీతో మనం మల్టిపుల్ చేస్తామో వన్ ఫార్ములా దేర్. ఈ పవర్ టీతో ఎప్పుడైతే మనం మల్టిపుల్ చేస్తామో ఫార్ములా ఉంది కదండి, ఈ పవర్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఈ పవర్ ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ ఎఫ్ డాష్ ఎక్స్ డిఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్స్ ఈ పవర్ ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ ఇది స్టాండర్డ్ రిజల్ట్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? ఈ పవర్ ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ ఎఫ్ డాష్ ఎక్స్ డిఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్స్ ఈ పవర్ ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్. So sin x derivative cos x, cos x derivative sin x. Sin x derivative of sin x is cos x. Okay, derivative of sin x is cos x. This is the f of x. This one is f dash x. Now result is e power t into f of x. What is f of x? Sin t plus c. E power t value in terms of x. E power, so directly e power t equals to x. X into sin t. T equals to log x base e. Let's say this is the answer. Next one, integral sin 2x log cos x dx. Now integral sin 2x log cos x dx. So sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x log cos x. Okay. Log cos x base e bt. Let's log cos x base e equal to t. Now cos x equal to e power t. Derivative with respect to x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x dx equal to e power t dt. E power t dt. Now this one 2 sin x cos x log cos x base e dx. Bring outside to constant sin x. Now sin x dx minus e power t dt. Sin x dx equal to minus e power t dt. Now cos x equal to e power t log cos x base e, that is t into t. Now minus 2 times of e power t into e power t, now t into e power 2t dt. Applying UV method. Preferences of u. Highlight inverse logarithmic algebraic. Okay, algebraic function u. This one is b. T is taken as the first function u, e power 2t. Remaining function is taken as the second function b. Now minus 2 times of u into integral v, e power 2t integral e power 2t by 2t differentiation. 2 derivative of 2t is 2 minus of integral v e power 2t by 2 derivative of t, that is 1 dt. Minus 2 times of t into e power 2t by 2. Okay, minus 1 by 2 integral e power 2t by 2 plus c. Now minus t into e power 2t minus of minus plus e power 2t by 2 plus c. This is the final answer. What is the t in terms of x? Here t is, there is options. Okay, cos square. Okay, e power, bring outside e power 2t. E power 2t, bring outside. Now minus t. Okay, so 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus t plus c. E power 2t times of 1 by 2 minus t. What is the t in terms of x? Here t equals Now e power t equal to cos x, so e power t whole square equal to cos square x. This one is cos square x. This one is cos square x 1 by 2 minus t. Here t is log x base e. Log cos x base e. Log cos x base e plus c. This is the final answer. Which one is the right option? Cos square x 1 by 2 minus log x base e plus c. Third one is the right one. Next question, next problem, integral sin 4x e power tan square x dx. Integral sin 4x e power tan square x dx. Power of e, what is the trigonometric function? Tan. Sin 4x, sin 2 theta. Integral sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 sin 2x cos 2x e power tan square x dx. We have to convert entire function in terms of tan. Sin 2x sin 2x in terms of tan, 2 tan theta. Sin 2 theta formula in terms of tan, 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Cos 2 theta in terms of tan, 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Now 2 is a constant, bring outside, 2 times of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So it is argument x, not theta. 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x sin 2x cos 2x 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x into e power tan square x dx. Let tan x be t. Tan x be t. Okay. Tan square there. Okay, we need tan square be t. Derivative with respect to x. 2 tan x. Derivative of tan x is secant square x dx equals to dt. Now 2 tan x secant square x 1 plus tan square x dx equals to dt. Now 2 tan x dx equals to dt by 1 plus tan square x t, 1 plus t. 2 tan x dx equals to dt by 1 plus tan square x. Now 2 tan x dx, this place value, integral 2 times of integral 2 tan x dx equals to dt by 1 plus t. Now 1 minus t square, 1 minus t square, okay, 1 minus tan square x, so 1 minus t square, so 1 minus t only, sorry, 1 minus t by 1 plus tan square into 1 plus tan square, 1 plus tan square x whole square. Now 1 plus t whole square. Next 2 times of integral 1 minus t by 1 plus t whole cube, yes, whole cube, 1 plus t into 1 plus t whole square. Now dt. 2 times of integral 1 by 1 plus t cube minus t by 1 plus t cube, t whole cube. 1 plus t whole cube minus t by 1 plus t whole cube dt. Now 2 times of integral 1 by 1 plus t whole cube minus of the denominator 1 plus t, the denominator is